Hi Nearlyweds, I'm Susan Sutherland, president of Just Marry, and I've been planning weddings for more than 25 years. And with those thousands of clients that I've worked with, I've learned a thing or two about planning a special event while staying in budget and not getting too stressed out. And I decided I wanted to share some of that information with as many people as possible, so I started this YouTube channel. Every week, my team and I are going to post videos. Some of them will be how-to, some of them will be inspirational, others will be behind the scenes, but we want this to be a great resource for you to help you with all of your planning needs. So be sure to subscribe, share with any of your engaged friends, and like and comment as you wish. Oh, and by the way, if you have a topic you'd like us to cover, please feel free to say so in the comments. We'd be happy to try and do it for you. So thanks for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you in future videos.